Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button so you get notified every time I post a video. And in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Microsoft Wireless 900 desktop. And this is a wireless keyboard and mouse. And from what I understand, you could use it for PCs, desktop tablets, and then also, I believe also the iPad as well. I'm not too sure about that though, but what it does have, it has soft touch keys. It's a 2-year average battery life for both the keyboard and mouse, so that's pretty good. So let's go ahead and see what we have in this unboxing video to see what comes with it. Okay. Alright, so we have the keyboard. Okay, here we go. And each of them have batteries that come corresponding with it. So you get batteries. I'm guessing this is for the mouse since they're smaller. And this is the USB wireless connection that you would do for the computer. So it has the 2 sets of batteries, the keyboard, the mouse, the wireless adapter, and then a couple of manuals, the warranty and everything that comes with it. And this is just showing you basically what it is, basically how you put the keyboards, or how you put the battery inside of the keyboard, inside of the mouse, and how you basically turn it on. And then also where you will plug it into the computer. And from what I understand, I believe there's software that you need to install. I'm not too sure, or if it automatically picks it up. But I'll go ahead and add to the video or put it in the notes to see how you would actually do the setup. So thanks for checking this out, and this is everything that comes with it. And I'll also put a link on my description in the bottom so you could purchase one either from the Microsoft Store or like Amazon or somewhere else. Alright, thanks a lot.